Ooh, it's good despite this solar panels damage.
But
This is the fault of the courier. I think not by the seller. It's the courier thing. This courier did not manage well. Their people, they should be held accountable to this. I hope they will replace this one, and I doubt if they will refund, but I think they will not. It took 2 months before they gave it to me, and then I found out that this solar panel is damaged, totally damaged, and this is no longer wet proof. This is no longer waterproof, as I can see it. The glass is broken. Oh, disgusting. But a little bit satisfied with the light. This light looks like it's only about 15 watts, not 150 watts as advertised. Oh, seller, you're not good. You did not even put the sticker on it. It is not 150 watts. I think it will only last about 1 hour. Not 6 hours, not 8 hours or 10 hours. It will take only about an hour. No good. Even the cockroach can hide, because the cockroach will know that it will not last for about an hour or two. You should be nice and good. Seller, change your attitude, as well as the courier JNT Express. I will pause this one so that you will know. Wait for it.